Indoor plants that don't need drainage holes are ideal for easy, low-maintenance gardening. They can handle careful watering and grow well in stylish containers without extra preparation. Perfect for compact spaces, they add a touch of greenery indoors while keeping things neat and simple. With the right care, these plants can also improve air quality and bring a fresh, natural feel to any room. Now, let's explore the best indoor plants that don't require drainage holes for their pots. Jade plant or Crassula ovata. The jade plant behaves less like a typical houseplant and more like a living water reserve. Its thick, glossy leaves store moisture the way a camel stores fat, allowing it to survive long stretches without fresh watering. Because of this built-in storage system, it drinks slowly and sparingly, reducing the risk of water buildup even in pots without drainage holes. Indoors, where evaporation is gentler and controlled, the plant adapts by using only what it needs and ignoring excess moisture. This self-regulating nature makes the jade plant uniquely suited for sealed containers when watering is minimal and mindful. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia. The ZZ plant is a master of survival, built with thick rhizomes beneath the soil that act like hidden water tanks. These underground structures store moisture for long periods, allowing the plant to go weeks without needing a drink. Because it absorbs water slowly and efficiently, excess moisture is rarely an issue when watering is controlled. Indoors, its glossy leaves and steady growth reflect its calm, low-demand nature. Even in pots without drainage holes, the ZZ plant thrives by using stored reserves instead of relying on constant watering, making it one of the most forgiving and adaptable houseplants available. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata. The snake plant stands tall with quiet resilience, storing water within its thick, upright leaves like a natural reservoir. This built-in efficiency allows it to go long periods without watering, reducing the risk of excess moisture even in pots without drainage holes. Indoors, it thrives on neglect, preferring dry conditions over frequent care. Its slow, steady water use and tolerance for low humidity make it uniquely suited for sealed containers. With minimal attention and controlled watering, the snake plant remains healthy and striking, proving that simplicity and strength can go hand in hand in indoor gardening. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller. Aloe vera carries its own survival kit within its fleshy, gel-filled leaves, designed to lock in moisture for extended periods. Unlike many indoor plants, it thrives on restraint rather than attention, preferring dry roots and minimal watering. This desert-adapted nature means it uses water slowly and efficiently, reducing the chance of soggy soil even without drainage holes. Indoors, it settles into a rhythm of quiet endurance, drawing only what it needs while storing the rest. With careful, infrequent watering, aloe vera adapts effortlessly to sealed pots, making it both practical and uniquely self-sufficient. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum. The spider plant moves with a lively, cascading energy, sending out arching leaves and tiny plantlets that seem to dance in the air. Beneath the soil, it forms thick, tuber-like roots that quietly store water, allowing it to handle irregular watering with ease. This hidden reserve system helps prevent stress even in pots without drainage holes, as long as moisture is given in moderation. Indoors, it balances growth and survival effortlessly, adapting to changing conditions without complaint. Its ability to store, stretch, and self-regulate makes the spider plant both playful in appearance and surprisingly resilient in enclosed containers. Pothos Epipremnumorium. Pothos flows with effortless grace, its trailing vines adapting to almost any indoor setting. What makes it different is its flexible nature. It can grow in soil or even just water, adjusting its roots to suit the environment. This adaptability allows it to handle pots without drainage holes when watering is kept light. Instead of demanding perfect conditions, pothos quietly balances moisture, using what it needs and tolerating the rest. Indoors, it becomes a steady, forgiving presence, continuing to grow and trail with minimal fuss. Its easygoing character makes it one of the most reliable plants for simple, contained spaces. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum. The arrowhead plant grows with a quiet sense of transformation, its leaves shifting shape as it matures. What sets it apart is its ability to adapt its roots to changing moisture levels, absorbing water gradually rather than all at once. This measured uptake helps it cope in pots without drainage holes when watering is controlled. Indoors, it maintains a soft, steady growth pattern, never rushing, never demanding. Its balance between flexibility and restraint allows it to thrive in contained spaces, making it a subtle yet dynamic presence that adjusts effortlessly to its environment. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. The rubber plant carries a bold, structured presence with thick, glossy leaves that act as slow release reservoirs of moisture. Unlike delicate houseplants, it prefers stability over frequent care, drawing water gradually and holding onto it with purpose. This steady consumption helps prevent excess moisture buildup in pots without drainage holes when watering is kept minimal. Indoors, it grows with quiet confidence, focusing on strong roots and broad foliage rather than rapid change. Its controlled rhythm and ability to retain moisture make the rubber plant a reliable choice for contained spaces, blending strength with surprisingly low maintenance needs. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum. The Chinese evergreen carries a calm, steady rhythm, thriving where many plants struggle. Its broad, patterned leaves are not just decorative, they help regulate moisture by slowing down water loss. What makes it different is its ability to tolerate consistently moist yet controlled soil without stress. This balance allows it to adapt to pots without drainage holes when watering is done carefully. Indoors, it remains unfazed by low light and irregular care, maintaining its lush appearance with quiet resilience. Its natural patience and moisture tolerance make it a dependable, low-effort plant for enclosed containers and relaxed indoor environments.